Kim Kardashian suffered a major wardrobe malfunction while showing off a new style, making her unrecognizable to fans. The reality star stunned fans with her new look and her wildly sexy curves. While on set shooting for her fashion line Skims, Kim struck several poses for her Instagram stories. In one such pose, she nearly showed fans more than they bargained for as she spilled out of her sheer bra. The mom of four covered her chest with a black heart emoji and a sliding pole for fans to rate her look. She chatted into the camera as though nothing was happening. The wardrobe malfunction wasn't all fans were chatting about. In fact, many were more distracted by a change to Kim's appearance. She took to her Instagram stories that day sporting a new look that made her nearly unrecognizable. Kim donned the same bleach blonde locks she's been sporting for most of the month but appeared to have lightened her eyebrows. Her eyes also looked brighter, thanks to a filter over the post. "Who's that girl?" In a second video, she pulled a more serious face, breaking from posing for a brief chuckle. Kim then filmed herself with her favorite filter on, which turned her head into devil horns. She returned for a moment to the original filter, revealing the reason she was glammed up. She told her followers, on set today for Skims. Kim panned the camera around, revealing that sister Khloe Kardashian was also on set with her. Not loving it. While the mom of four has been proudly sporting lightened locks for weeks, fans aren't loving it. On Friday, Kim posted a series of snaps from sister Kourtney and Travis Barker's wedding. Her hair was on display like it hasn't been in recent weeks. Posing in an updo, she looked off to the side in her black gloved goth dress many fans earlier unfortunately likened to a funeral, and captioned the post, "Kravis forever." The newly shared photos taken last weekend also included her and daughter North sweetly striking a pose, but fans simply couldn't get past her hair. The snaps wound up on Reddit, where critics said they were missing Kim's natural brunette look and many wished she'd go back to basics. One harsh user began, "I hope this bird's nest hair phase of hers ends soon." Another defended on her wrapped-up blonde bun, "I actually love it. I love a messy updo, even if it's intentionally done." A third commented, "Not sure if you are aware, but the 90s and early 2000s are having a big comeback in fashion, beauty and hair." A fourth replied, "I know, but am not ready for this comeback." Kim has begun filming season 2 of her currently airing Hulu's The Kardashians. In a teaser image she earlier shared, she was blonde while filming, so the streak may not be going anywhere. Kim has rocked her long, luxurious dark hair since she first entered the limelight, which is perhaps why the change is such a shock. At the beginning of May, Kim boasted about losing 16 pounds in 3 weeks to fit into the Marilyn Monroe dress for the recent Met Gala when she first went blonde to match the iconic star.